Hey, what's up guys? It's Valentine's Day. That's an important day for us, for my wife and I. So, we're going to be doing something special. We are cooking here instead of going out. So, we're going to have a cooking video. That sounds fun, right? Here we go. The potatoes are already in because they need to get started because it takes them a long time to cook. So, those will be in there for a while, and we're going to work on some other things preparing for the supper tonight. So here's what the rest of the supper will be. For the first course we're having chicken, or not course really, but anyway, the first protein we're doing is chicken. So here goes. If you watch my Olaf pancake video or waffle video, it's like the same setup here. But anyway, bowl, ingredients. Got the chicken. Old Bay is the best seasoning ever. This is the lemon and herb version, which we're going to put on the chicken. Black pepper, salt, and some EVOO. Got the chicken. We got a nice chicken breast there. That's where the strip is. What we're going to do is just cut it along this line right here. Basically cut it in half. I'll make the disclaimer that I am not a chef, so sorry about that. I just enjoy cooking. Some things I will probably do incorrectly, but that's okay. So, have those cut up. Get this out of the way. So what we'll do from here is put a little bit of olive oil on them and salt. And pepper. And a little bit of Old Bay. Yum. Like I said, this is the lemon and herb variety of the Old Bay. So we'll just give those a turn. We'll take our chicken, cover it, and evacuate it to the refrigerator. Alright guys, we're also going to be working on some steaks. What about that? From the pig. Piggly Wiggly. Steak. We'll be working on that too. Gonna break it down. Gonna slap them on the grill. Good to go. So next up, like I just showed you, the steak. So with the steak, got two New York strips. Throw some salt and pepper on these guys. Flip them over. Salt and pepper, by the way, are actually on tour, which is crazy. So 90's making a comeback. This salt and pepper is going on a steak. Yeah. Gonna finna throw that on the grill. Zucchini. Yup. It's happening. Alright, so we're gonna take the zucchini and cut it down the middle. And we've got 4 pieces of zucchini that we're gonna doctor up a little bit. So we'll put those 4 pieces of zucchini over there. Do the same thing with this guy. So 4 pieces of zucchini. Then, what then, you may ask? Well, then we've got some olive oil. So we're gonna drizzle that on. Yummy, yummy. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. We'll let them get friendly. Oop, let's start together. There we go. All right. So, got all the zucchini right in there. We're gonna grill that up. That's gonna be good. One thing we got to add to the steak, good old steak seasoning. So we'll include that in there. Kind of sprinkle it on. Flip them over. Giving a good dose on both sides. Cause these babies finna go on a grill. Hey guys, we're outside now. We're about to grill. It's gonna be so fun. Alright, so I've got chicken, I've got steak, and I've got zucchini. They're all going on the grill, and it's gonna be awesome. So, here goes. Oh, the grill. Okay, here we go. I'll go get the stuff. Alright guys, finna start it with the chicken. Chicken's going on the grill. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's down there. Sorry about the bad lighting. We're on the back. All right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Hear that? Good stuff. Good stuff. Got the chicken on. Still looks raw. That'll change. Going to get this. Well, not going to get the steak. That'll be a little bit. Then the zucchini. Oh, yeah. So, guys, was working on the grilling tonight. May not be a chef. I'd love to. I'd love to cook for a living. That'd be awesome. But I may not be a chef, but I can look like one. Check out the red apron. What? Yeah, I get my Star Wars shirt. That's what it's about. Red apron. I use it every time I cook. Got my tongs and a pocket. It's nice. So, we're gonna finish cooking the chicken and the steak and the zucchini and the potatoes. Here you go. Quick update. Steaks are on. Oh yeah. They look good too. By the way, we're behind our house right now. You see, it's made out of rocks. Our house is made out of rocks. Information you need to know. Guess what's up? Oh yeah. Smells so good. Oh, let me get you in there. Let me get you in there on that. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. We're finna eat. Quick shot of our spread for the evening. Somebody may or may not have been in the chicken, the zucchini, and the potatoes. Good Valentine's Day supper. It'll be good. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the preparation of our Valentine's Day pre-Eve dinner. And if you liked it, like the video, that's cool. Comment, subscribe. If you're a professional chef and you're watching this, tell me how to cook, please. Anyway, that's our Valentine's Eve dinner. Have a Valentine's Day. Bye.